begin by introducing Conor McGregor, known as the Notorious, highlighting his rise from humble beginnings to global stardom. Discuss his birth on July 14th, 1988, in Dublin, Ireland. Mention his early career as a plumber before transitioning to mixed martial arts, MMA. Describe his initial involvement in MMA, including his early fights and the challenges he faced. Highlight his success in Cage Warriors, where he held both the featherweight and lightweight titles simultaneously. Detail his UFC debut in 2013 and his rapid ascent in the organization. Emphasize his notable victories, including the 13-second knockout of José Aldo in 2015 to win the featherweight title. Mention his achievement of becoming the first fighter in UFC history to hold titles in 2 weight classes simultaneously after defeating Eddie Alvarez for the lightweight title in 2016. Discuss his 2017 boxing match against Floyd Mayweather Jr., noting the significance of the crossover event. Highlight his entrepreneurial pursuits, such as launching Proper No. 12 Irish Whiskey in 2018. Mention his various endorsement deals with brands like Reebok and Beats by Dr. Note his last fight in 2021 and the subsequent injury. Discuss recent public appearances, such as his meeting with the Nelk Boys at his Dublin pub, the Black Forge Inn, leading to fan speculations about his return to fighting. Reflect on his impact on the sport, his polarizing personality, and his contributions to bringing mainstream attention to MMA. Summarize his journey from a Dublin plumber to a global sports icon, emphasizing his influence both inside and outside the octagon.